Rationale for focusing on sexual assault. Sexual assault is a critical form of victimization with a devastating effect on individuals and society. It is a significant issue because of its prevalence and the profound psychological, social, and legal consequences for victims. Studies indicate that nearly 1 in 5 women and 1 in 71 men experience sexual assault during their lives. Despite its prevalence, many assaults go underreported due to fear, shame, or distrust of the justice system. The widespread nature of this crime, coupled with its impact on survivors, make it is urgent issue that requires attention, advocacy, and action. Sexual assault victimization. Sexual assault refers to any sexual act performed without the consent of the victim. This includes rape, grouping, attempted sexual acts, and other form of sexual coercion or violence. Prevalence. According to the National Sexual Violence Resource Center, or NSVRC, 1 in 5 women and 1 in 71 men will experience sexual assault in their lifetime in the U.S. Many victims are assaulted by people they know, such as acquaintances, partners, or family members, challenging the stereotype stranger danger. It's estimated that only 30% of sexual assault are reported to law enforcement, highlighting the issue of underreporting. Psychological impacts. Sexual assault has served psychological consequences for victims. They resulting in post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD, characterized by feedbacks, nightmares, and anxiety. Many survivors also struggle with depression and overwhelming feeling of sadness and hopelessness, which can interfere with daily life. Self-blame and guilt are common as victims may internalize the assault and feel responsible, hindering their recovery. Additionally, sexual assault can lead to sexual dysfunction and difficulties in forming or maintaining intimate relationship, as victims may develop trust issue or negative feeling toward sex. Social impacts. Socially, sexual assault survivors often face isolation, withdrawing from social activities due to fear of stigma or not being believed. Relationships with family, friends, and partners can be strained as victims struggle with emotional distress and trauma-related behaviors. Many survivors experience victim blaming from society, where their action, such as clothing or alcohol use, are unfairly questioned, which can further alienate them and discourage them from seeking help or reporting the crime. This social stigma can impede the healing process and delay recovery. Legal impacts. Legally, many victims of sexual assault do not report the crime due to fear of not being believed or facing a lengthy, invasive legal process. Those who do report may encounter a criminal justice system that often prioritizes the rights of the accused over the victim's well-being, with survivors subjected to invasive questioning and emotional re-traumatization during legal proceedings. Furthermore, The legal process can take years, prolonging emotional distress and delaying closure. Some survivors pursue civil litigation, but these cases are costly, emotional, draining, and may not provide the closure or compensation they seek. Conclusion: sexual assault is a pervasive issue that has profound psychological, social, and legal impact of survivors. The psychological tool includes conditions like PTSD, depression, and sexual dysfunction. So socially, victims often face isolation, strained relationship, and victim blaming. Legally, survivors may encounter barriers such as underreporting, invasive legal procedures, and a lack of justice. Addressing sexual assault requires not only better legal frameworks but also societal shift to support survivors, reduce stigma, and ensure accountability for perpetrators.